The Chevrolet Trax has gone through a major transformation over the last few years. What started as a simple, practical, compact SUV has evolved into a much more modern, stylish, and competitive vehicle, especially with the latest generation. In the early 2020s, the Trax was designed mainly for city driving and everyday practicality. It was compact, easy to park, and fuel-efficient, making it popular among first-time car buyers and people looking for an affordable SUV. The focus during this period was reliability, simplicity, and low ownership costs rather than luxury or performance. As the market began demanding more technology and stronger design, Chevrolet realized the Trax needed a big update. That's where the new generation comes in. Starting with the latest redesign, the Chevrolet Trax became larger, wider, and more aggressive in styling. It now looks closer to a sporty crossover rather than a basic compact SUV. The exterior design features a bold front grille, sharp LED lighting, and a more confident road presence, making it stand out much more than earlier versions. Inside, the Trax has taken a huge step forward. The interior is more spacious, with improved materials and a modern dashboard layout. One of the biggest upgrades is the large digital display, including a wide infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This makes the driving experience feel much more premium than before. In terms of performance, the newer Trax models focus on efficient turbocharged engines. While it's not built to be a sports car, the engine delivers smooth acceleration for city and highway driving, with improved fuel economy. The suspension has also been refined, offering a more comfortable and stable ride compared to older versions. Safety has become a key strength of the modern Chevrolet Trax. Recent models include advanced driver assistance features, such as automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, and pedestrian detection. These features were limited or unavailable in earlier versions, but are now a major selling point. By the time we reach the most recent models in this range, the Trax is no longer just a budget option, it's a smart, modern compact SUV aimed at drivers who want style, technology, and safety without paying a premium price. Chevrolet clearly repositioned the Trax to compete with newer rivals in the compact SUV segment. In summary, the Chevrolet Trax from 2020 to 2026 shows a clear evolution, from a simple, affordable city SUV to a bold, tech-focused, and well-equipped crossover. If you're looking for a modern compact SUV with strong value, the latest Chevrolet Trax models are more relevant than ever.